Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we're going to discuss how we're going to make the twist in macrame. For instance, this plant hangers twist, and in many different projects, you might have twists just even in the middle of the project, and it can be a really beautiful addition. Okay, so starting fresh here, we've got our 2 lark's head knots, and we're going to do a very quick review of the square knot because that is going to be part of this anyways, at least half of it will. Okay, so the square knot, 2 in the middle do not move. The one on the left is going to be like a 4. The one on the right goes in front of it and then jumps through the loop. Okay, that's 1/2 of it. Then you reverse it, and the one on the right is going to go like that, like the backwards 4, and the one on the left goes in front and then goes back and then goes up through the loop. Okay, and then you pull. Okay, so that's your square knot. Now we're going to undo that last piece. All right, so this, I had done the left side, okay, the first one. We're going to repetitively do that. So again, make our number 4, put the right one in front. That right cord goes through the loop. Okay. We're going to do that again. Left one in front on the 4. Now the right one goes in front of the work and through the loop. What you're gonna see here is it really wants to twist on me. See that? It's starting to do it. And then it becomes to where I'm working kind of sideways and I have to turn it. And now in this position, you don't sit there and go, oh my God, which one was the cord on the left? No, this is your new left cord, okay? So once you turn it, whatever's on the left is your new left cord. And it's fine. It works out fine. And you just keep going with that. Left, making your 4, right, over top of your work, and then comes back through the hole. Left over the middle, right over top, and it comes back. So I just take my finger and do this, push it like that. Okay. See, it's wanting to turn again. So it only takes like 4 to 6 times of doing it before it wants to turn. I'm standing kind of off center to it, so it's going to happen even more. But I'll stop there because I think you get the point. Okay, so we got a twist there. Yeah, and it's just going to keep going and going and going. So it's just doing half of that square knot repetitively. And you know, when you make a project, you just count like the number. Like I count this line here. How many of those do I have? And like if I do one on the other side of the project, I just make sure that I have the exact same amount. And of course you do, you know, when you're actually doing a project that you really, I mean, I like to concentrate on getting it as symmetrical as I can because I think that's part of the beauty of it. When that's your aim, is getting it the same measurement with a ruler and then like the amount that you do within that. But I mean, you know, it's one of those things where you can just play around with it and it kind of looks cool without doing all that. I mean, that's something cool about macrame is that it's kind of that flowy hippy dippy thing and it looks good. It's art, you know? And it's really relaxing to do. Something with your hands repetitively actually is very calming. So, okay, that's the end of this episode. I try to keep them, you know, around 5 minutes or so. So it's not a great investment of time, but you're learning something each time. Hope that helped. See you next time.